Okay, just a quick video just to show a couple of customers how to remove the lens cell to clean the rear of the lens. They've got some little bits of dust on it or some little marks on it. So first thing we do is pull the dew shield. So the dew shield is right open. This one is. Now we need to remove the front cap, and then by holding the bezel and the dew shield, rotate the dew shield. I've half done this one just to speed things up a bit, and just put that to one side. I'm wearing white gloves. Any gloves are good, so you don't want to be touching the lens itself, otherwise you'll get marks on it and they'll be a real pain to get off. So the lens cell, again, I've already unscrewed it part of the way, but keep unscrewing it. It will take some time because the threads are quite fine, but just keep hold of that lens cell as you're rotating it. Make sure one hand's always got the pressure on, otherwise it'll fall and it'll roll everywhere. You don't want that. Okay, so remove that and we'll just place that down. There's no lens in there now. We get a blower, any blower will do, and then if you just hold it up, you probably can't see, but there is a few bits of dust on this one, so we'll give it a quick blow down. If you've got any marks or streaks, normally the Barda Wonder Fluid works very well, and you should be able to do that quite nicely. Once that's done and you're happy, put it back onto the thread. Just be very careful not to cross thread. You'll know that you're in the right place because it'll rotate quite freely and quite easily. So just keep screwing that up. I'll do this one right up this time. Careful not to adjust the collimation screws around this bezel, because you want to keep everything the same. Okay, just hand tight, not too tight. Dew shield. If you keep the bezel right up against this collimation block, you will find that you'll be able to get the thread easier. Otherwise, again, you're liable to cross threads if you're not careful. Screw that all the way in. It's handy on the bezels here because you can put your fingers in. Just make sure it's nice and tight. Again, just hand tight, that's all. Pop the lens cover on, and there we are. Thanks for watching.